he did that on the last one.
The next stop is South Force A.
Epic
Serving
fail.
air
Huh?
Epic
The
fail.
last
I wasn't paying attention. It got going a lot faster. Earl of Sandwich.
I was wondering what you were in the mood for.
Actually, I was thinking I was going to go for Chick-a-Flick. Especially since it's not super busy.
And it's not Sunday.
That was Starbucks. They're all getting turned into Dunkins.
Seriously.
I don't know why you can't have both. Need some sunglasses?
Yes.
Touch screen to begin. Breakfast meals. Chicken biscuit. Ooh, spicy biscuit. Sausage. What are you?
They used to have
You can
the
have
best
nugs.
bagel. I don't know if they still have it.
I don't see a bagel.
It might because it's airport food. But
Yeah. Check out.
I always say we should use a Disney name. It would be fun.
Yeah, I know people that do that at Starbucks. We got skimped a hash brown. She even yelled it out, but didn't actually put it in the bag. Lame. Here's my chicken biscuit.
Welcome home. You're one of our nearly 70 million visitors.
Hold on.
Welcome to the City Beautiful. Here, imagination becomes reality at our theme parks and attractions. Authentic experiences are found in our art scenes, sporting events, and small businesses.
What? SeaWorld. I know. Let's give. I said it's always SeaWorld.
We just missed it. We did get to see it last time.
Oh, we did, and then it became SeaWorld.
Universal, probably.
Yeah, come on, come on, change something better. Uber, get out of here. Oh, come on, come on. Anything? No, it changed to something, but I couldn't see what it was. This is way more chill. The airport in general, more chill than the last few times, I suppose. Always baggage claim 30. We've been standing here a little while. It just did buzz, so apparently baggage is on the slow side today. Yep. Well, as you can see, there were not many car choices today. The little white go-kart over there smelled like pickles, as Zach put it. There's a couple Jeeps, which we're not a fan of either. And this Rogue, which would be fine if it just had...
Keyless.
It has keyless entry, but you have to push a button. Or there's no button to push. You have to use the key. Like what year is it? But for lack of better options, I suppose this is what we're going to go with.
What is this?
Side entrance.
That's the weirdest thing. We took a wrong turn.
Well, no, we just missed our exit.
Or we missed the
And
exit.
it was crowded, so who cares? Ready?
And
Hey, purple sign.
And now we gotta figure out how we're going, where we're going. But we got the GPS. These people are merging.
Oh.
Very good.
Oh.
Where are we going on our first day of check-in
Blizzard
day?
Beach, All-Star Resort, Coronado, McDonald's, or mini golf. Place your bets.
There's a lot of different places we could be going.
Now it just says All-Star Blizzard Beach.
Definitely not going to Animal Kingdom.
Well.
'Tis a first. everybody says, how can you go to Disney World all them times? And have you done anything different?
Yeah.
Well,
Something new.
guess what?
There's always something new.
There's always something different to be done.
And this is not the only different new thing we're going to do this trip or today even. So,
God, help me.
It's a surprise he doesn't know. Do they? Phone cam. No bringing the camera into the water park. We're going with the phone. Oh, you could see the sand castle on the mini golf course over there, which I've been to a couple times. We were looking, you can't see it now with all these roofs. The slide, the big slide, where you can almost see it over there. And we're like, absolutely not, no way. We still got purple flashies, even though we're not pass holdering this situation.
It still knows.
It does. I don't know why that was such a thing. The beach house.
I don't know, but it's shady and there's a breeze.
I know.
How to feel.
I'm like, this is great. The sled.
Now I feel like I'm on Castaway Key.
Little bit of that. Little bit of that. Little bit of
Germany.
Frozen. Little bit of Germany. It's an odd amalgamation of things. We're lost puppies.
Well, the entrance was like about there.
So we went in a big circle.
We kind of went around this way and then...
We're scoping it out.
But because of the lazy river, you have to go over one or two lanes.
Yeah, we're trying to find some seats.
Everything's in the same area.
Ugh.
I'm just kind of fascinated checking it all out.
Mm-hmm.
Hot.
I don't want to be in the sand. I say we go back in that nice little shady cove that we found before. Looking at the map.
Yeah. Trying to see if
We're noob losers.
what that area over there is.
We commandeered a couple chairs.
And we're
Trying on water shoes. I have white ones. And I got a pair of black ones for him. We were in the wave pool. It's very wavy.
very wavy.
There's not a lot of sitting to be done. Pull the flap, yeah.
Those are pretty comfy.
That's what I'm like. It's like a sock. Whoop. I think we found one of many entrances to the lazy river, which looks huge, humongous. So we're gonna go try to do that. What do you think?
She just said something about a drink of water, and I was like, oh yeah.
I'm surprised you haven't gotten a drink yet.
So we need to go to the
Get a cup?
cup.
I don't even know where you get the cups. Oh, not a Figment. Refillable cup. Oh, it goes with both water parks because it's got Typhoon Lagoon and Blizzard Beach. Oh, and Mickey Mint on it. That's adorable. And we got the, what is it called?
White
Cap pizza. So it's like a white chicken pizza and chicken tenders.
handicap entrance. I don't know if that makes a difference.
Is it? I think everybody's coming this way.
The everybody entrance.
I guess the stairs are over there. Lazy river. Alrighty, got my steps. Gee.
I shot straight to the wall, so I just grabbed
Hold on.
and waited for you.
Bridge.
Grips.
Oh no, the hats are gonna get wet.
Grip, 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 grip.
Well, the water shoes are working out for me. They didn't so much work out for you.
Nope.
There was an insole problem.
Yep. I barefooted my way over here. It was perfectly fine.
I'm going backwards. I can't see what we're doing. As of now.
We're gonna run over these people.
Look out! Okay, well there's a waterfall back there. And a cool cave. And I'm going backwards again. Not sure what's happening up here. There's a sneezy sound and water comes out of the chimney. And we've got dripping socks and mittens on this side. We're gonna make our way over here. Oh, we have a garden.
It's gonna do it by the time we get there again. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
No, 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 no! Oh,
We weren't there yet.
let's get out of here. He's throwing.
Rainbow splash
Oh, we made it.
Oh god.
Hello.
Oh god.
Falling over in the wave pool. Whoop! Now I'm falling over. The cup has been refilled
To the brim.
to the brim. Peach Sprite, delicious. They have a freestyle up here with the main food.
Quick service.
Wada Lodge. Let's say that 3 times fast. We have put our clothing back on. And we're gonna do a little merch walkthrough before we head out. It's no much fun. Is that Mick? Or obviously that's Mickey. Is it Blizzard Beach? Oh, there's Minnie. I don't think it actually says. Oh, there it does. At the top. Very cute. Where'd he go? He already left me. I know, we got the summer fun collection. Cute cooler. Yes, it's very cute. Even the pillow's cute.
That was cute.
Mm-hmm. And this is a new print this year too, I think.
It's the new stuff.
Yeah, there's that shirt.
Yeah.
Like a UPF Spirit jersey. It's very cute. Like 2 left. That's not Disney. This isn't Disney. How dare they? How dare you? Wall of beach towels. Oh, there's another Blizzard Beach one.
That's Blizzard Beach.
Yeah.
Yep.
The blue one is much cuter. More not Disney merch back
A
there.
legit amount of stuff though.
They do. Noah. And Meg. Booyah. We have the one that matches the towel. And we have Olaf. Oh, now we gotta make decisions. Because I really like that
And
one.
the American Adventure.
Well, you know. But Olaf. Tommy Bahama. Proof doesn't have a shirt on. Goof doesn't have a shirt on again.
Oh Lord. What's worse than
I don't know why I'm offended by that because like Mickey never has her shirt on. They got that blue stuff back there. Bench. Walked right into it. Haha. Oop, oop, oop. No.
Coins.
Medallions. I was hoping for some pennies though. T-shirts. Very official Blizzard Birch. Blizzard Birch?
Blizzard Birch.
Blizzard Birch merch.
Tote bag.
Spirit jersey, t-shirt, same thing backwards, different color.
Men's t-shirt.
A hat. Oh, look at the cup. Oh, is it silicone? It's a squishy cup. It's like a pool cup. Hey, look, there's the pennies. Booyah! One item vended. Do I even have to do anything?
Nope.
Negative. It's like you gave us your credit card, you get all the pennies. There's also like a huge sun glare. You can't see anything. Hot penny. All done. Sipping the peach Sprite on the way out. Bought a pen. Bought the Olaf one.
We got a map.
We got a map. A water park map. Which our assumption is both of them are in there. But there you go. Now you know. Thanks for visiting. See you later.
Poop Century.
We've officially renamed it.
We're officially in the wrong lane.
It's the right lane until it's the wrong lane.
It's the bus lane, and it is the bus lane, and it stays the bus lane.
Well, but you never know who's in that other lane.
Yeah, that's true.
Air-conditioned rooms.
King-size beds.
Well, as you can see, this is not a king bed. Hey, we don't have to blur out the TV. You can see what it looks like. They were able to move us. So we have 2 beds.
2 beds.
Backwards room though.
Bathtub. Bathtub.
Standard pop.
Yep. Not a refurbished room.
I didn't even see anything. Like, I don't even know if they've started.
Nah.
We are freshened up and running to the store to get some beverages and such for the week. And then hopefully dinner. And then our activity. Stairs. Hey and Sammy. We made it to Tijuana Flats.
I didn't think about
Yeah, I gotta rub that in. I'll do it at some point. Traffic sucked. We got our drinks. We're gonna eat and run.
We got plenty of time.
Uh-huh. Got like heavily dusted chip.
Better watch out.
Gonna avoid those. Dip, 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 dip. Chimichanga. Be fast. What do you think we're doing?
I think I figured it out.
Did you?
Yep.
What do you think we're doing? We're going to...
Don't worry.
Nope. Just kidding. Parking
Go
is
see
nuts
a movie.
on a Saturday night.
Yeah.
Here's our tickets. We came up the stairs. I'm a little out of breath.
Dorsey.
Video recording is prohibited once inside the theater. I know. Bye-bye. See how long I can do this before I get yelled at. Tee-hee. Woo! Free popcorn on the way out. Free popcorn. But they don't sell, they give away. What'd you think?
Well worth 90 minutes of my time.
Yeah. Can you buy the pillow? Does it move? That's hilarious. Here's a book. And a deer hat. there a price on that? Oh, $45. Ouch.
On the bug?
Ouch, rumba. That's the program.
Oh, is that?
But you had to make it a whole fancy hardcover book and charge $45 for it. I don't have that one. I have that one.
All right.
Little pencil guy.
Yeah.
Shirts. Pencil bag. Pencil bag. Keychains, pins. Just a fancy drawing book, I suppose.
Black
That's kind of fun.
label.
You ever heard of that?
Nope. Have now.
Paper dress. Pillows everywhere that move. Little creepy. Oh, that was good.
Awesome.
We enjoyed that.
Oh, we're running into each other.
I would say it's a little more Cirque du Soleil and a little less Disney than I expected.
It's a Disney theme.
Yeah, I feel like there should have been a little more Disney.
The music sometimes got like less Disney than I would like be able to pick out. So I don't know. It was kind of weird.
Right. But it was good.
Yeah, like I said, well worth your 90 minutes.
I keep thinking you're going to say, well worth the $110 you spent for my ticket. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
So we're in the Gideon's line. They are out of the carrot cake cookie, but I don't know that we necessarily care.
Definitely don't care.
Because Zach doesn't like carrot cake. We can actually see in here.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's funny.
Usually we're like, our eyes are adjusting and it gives it a different effect. Slim pickings here in the evenings.
I would like to have tried that.
It wasn't all that.
Oh yeah, you had it.
Uh-huh.
You don't like the regular coffee cake though.
I mean, I don't dislike it. Here's a pistachio. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Get the cakes up here.
Candles. We're gonna go in Disney style. Oh yeah, cookies. Cookies acquired. Oh, he's gonna go in this store. This is true. By the way, that is not a kid's shirt. So Janelle. Hey look, a Moana jersey. Look how cute. I got a whole outfit. Wait till you see. Wait till you see. Oh, that's pretty cute. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. That's cuter in person. That is a little scary.
They even have
A scar. Put them on. You can't just look at. Put them on. Put them on. Disappointment. Ooh, Pocahontas.
Deal.
I know, they made that a little too similar, matchy-matchy. I like the other Pocahontas shirt. Train! That one! Lots of these bags. Some bobble bar. Ooh, the Small World Lug backpack. That's very cute. $90.
Smaller lug.
Yeah, isn't that cute?
That's debatable.
Oh, it's not just
And
the Aristocats.
Cats. And Barely
There's
a
some
Toulouse
Toulouse.
and Murray.
Oh yeah, it's like most of the cats. There's more cats here. Thomas O'Malley, Cheshire Cat.
Dodgers.
Kittens. Ferrari. Cute. It looks heavy. Yep, that's pretty thick. It's very cute though.
And only
$80.
$80.
Yeah, not as bad as I thought. Uh-oh. I gotta sneeze again.
I don't want to go.
Yeah.
Actually. Cleaning the queen. We got
Oh, you got like the
little patches.
hilarious.
Little sponsor patches.
Where's Rusty's?
Flaming sleeves.
Where's Rusty's?
Right there.
Hey, there we go.
Oh, okay.
There's the piston cup there too.
Yeah.
Hockey. Random.
Oh. That's awesome.
I'm going to Star Wars shop. If I don't run into the door first. Can see
Pretty cool.
3PO head.
You can take off the.
Yeah.
It's still so miffed.
But you bought yours, and then that I like the old one better.
No.
I like the old Jedi
like
one
this
too.
one so much better than the old one.
Well, I already have all the colors though. Well, I don't have red, but I'm not a Sith. Earrings?
That's the TIE Fighter.
Yeah. There's the R2 popcorn bucket. Socks. Phone cases. Pins.
Freight Zones Travelers.
Look at the like training ball thing. That's awesome. Binders. Lightsaber umbrellas. Very cool, yet not very practical. Not for carrying around here anyway. Would you like a candy apple? It's free caramel apple day. I forget the line exactly, but you know. You know, let's just see what we got in here.
I've never been in here.
I've been in here since they redid it. Cheddar.
Cheddar popcorn.
Random candy selection. Ooh, look.
Cool.
That's awesome.
I like the light.
Yeah.
That's just a good. That was a good.
Good pour.
on that one.
Was this it? Was that what we needed that we couldn't find? Maybe?
Maybe.
Okay. Makes me think of the Muppet guy. Look, you can get chicken fritters. Churros.
Chilled soup.
No thanks.
No gazpacho for me. Super flautas.
Yeah, look. Like it's a whole big long bready thing and it's got like
Alright, so
like
what
the
do we
tomato
have?
one and cheese and an omelet.
I bet the manchego cheese and tomato would be like the thing at Paleo. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And there's like paninis, burgers.
Goat cheese.
Get out of here. What is that? Fried chicken, bacon, lettuce, and tomato.
That has avocado on it.
I know. Maybe that's one of these. None of those say avocado either. I want one of these. That's where my heart is at.
You gotta dig the pee out.
Yeah. You found the car in the vast watermelon parking lot. The car with no keyless buttons on the outside. That's hand sanitizer.
I won't get in the car.
We hauled in some of our drinks.
We only bought maybe
1,000.
80 total.
And we got some chips and some crackers and some Captain Crunch and some cookies. Oh, oh. And you brought rice chips from home. And I brought, open that. Oh yeah, I brought peanut butter and jelly M&Ms.
Ooh, interesting. And Peppa Pigs.
Percy
Or
Pigs.
Percy Pigs.
Which we were supposed to eat on the way here today, but I forgot about them.
We should eat them Walking through the UK pavilion.
Pretzels, Mickey's,
Pretzels and mix.
perfect goldfish sized shelf. Those are for Mom.
Those are for Mom.
Those are probably a
Oh, because
solid
they're chocolate.
mess. Those are for Dad.
Hey!
Those are for you.
Hey!
Those are for Mom and Dad.
Oh, not the bite.
Those are for me.
I don't like the bite.
I like the bites. And this is our project, which I don't know if we'll get to it tonight.
It's
I just need a drink right now.
it's involved.
Drink. Cutesy wootsy. Told you. Got my drink. Got my pajamas on.
It's bad.
Do you have your pajamas on yet?
Nope.
You're such a weirdo. Why get in bed without getting ready for bed? Hmm? Hmm? He's got his pajama shorts on.
Yeah.
Progress, I guess.
Didn't get that far.
Yeah. What time are we getting up tomorrow? Well, what time are we leaving? Let's start with that. 10? 10:30? Our lightning lane's at what, 10:40?
10:25.
We have an hour to use it.
Yeah.
But we gotta flip it all the way over there.
Right.
And ride the Epcot Skyliner.
Yeah. We might leave at like
10?
9:45. We'll see.
Well, we've had enough today.
Yeah.
It's been a long day. It's been,
And
what time is it?
3 hours of sleep.
Almost midnight. So we've been going for like 20 hours.
On 3 hours of sleep.
So it's bedtime.